This part of the bulletin is brought to you by Gautam Bali Makeup Studio and Academy, Sector 1, Chanihima, Jammu. Good evening all, you're watching the news now and I am Bindya with the news at 5. Let's have a look at the headlines first. Group Captain Abhinandan awarded Veer Chakra, Major Dondial conferred with Shaurya Chakra. Finance Minister reaches Srinagar. 2 days visit will focus on economic development of Union Territory. And NIA raids multiple locations in Kashmir amid terror funding cases. And now the news in detail. Group Captain Abhinandan Vardhaman of the Indian Air Force has been awarded with Veer Chakra. The then Wing Commander Abhinandan, who shot down a Pakistani Air Force F-16 fighter jet a day after the Balakot airstrike, was promoted this month. Earlier, he has been awarded with the Shaurya Chakra for preventing Pakistani air infiltration. Apart from Abhinandan, Sapper Prakash Jadhav was posthumously awarded the Kirti Chakra for his role in operation to eliminate terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. President Kovind handed over the award to his wife and to his mother. At the same time, Major Vibhuti Shankar Dondial was also awarded the Shaurya Chakra posthumously for his valor in the operation to kill 5 terrorists and recover 200 kilograms of explosives. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman today inaugurated the Aikar Bhavan, the Income Tax Department building at Srinagar, on the first day of her 2-day visit to J&K. The Finance Minister, while addressing the gathering, highlighted the 21 projects undertaken and completed under PMDP since abrogation of Article 370. Talking about the wooden craft and paper mache and the carpet making and textile industry of Jammu and Kashmir, the Finance Minister said that these get a major boost under GDP. She also said that this building is a guide to reach out to every particular individual of the Union Territory.
Under the PMDP, Jammu migrants have also been completed. Remuneration for the SPOs also undertaken. JNNURM projects also undertaken and completed. Srinagar Banihal Road, Khazigun Banihal Tunnel, permanent restoration for some parts, 5 IRP battalions, Jhelum Phase 1, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, solar off-grid systems, BB Cant, Kalai Bridge, and some more in that category. And the SGR Uri LOC road completed, and PMRP and TV network work have also been completed. So, in a way, what I wanted to underline is 40,000 people were killed due to terrorism over the years. A land which is otherwise very peaceful, beautiful, had spent so many years in this very heart-crushing, tragic phase of development. Now, post-abrogation of 370, the Delimitation Commission has also been constituted. DDC polls have shown that the people are looking forward to aspirational meeting of their dreams, and therefore, I would want to tell you, in the context of dedicating this building, LG Honorable Manoj Sinha ji was right in saying the building dedication is only a nimitta, it is only a guise, it is only in that bahana that I am doing this, but the larger issue.
Welcoming the Finance Minister, the Lieutenant Governor Jammu Kashmir Manoj Sinha highlighted on the fact of economic taxpayers who play an important role in development of a nation and said that the Income Tax Department will go a long way in Jammu and Kashmir.
भारत के आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमान नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में 2014 से संरचनात्मक सुधारों द्वारा आयकर व्यवस्था को मजबूत तथा पारदर्शी बनाया जा रहा है। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की पारदर्शी टैक्स सिस्टम तथा ईमानदार टैक्सपेयर्स को सम्मान देने की मुहिम को सम्माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी ने आगे बढ़ाया है और पूरे देश के साथ साथ जम्मू कश्मीर में भी टैक्सपेयर की संख्या में काफ़ी बढ़ोतरी हुई है। सामाजिक आर्थिक विकास के लिए हमने जो बहुआयामी पहल की है, जिन नई व्यवस्थाओं नई सुविधाओं को आम आदमी के लिए तैयार किया जा रहा है, उसमें टैक्स पेयर की बड़ी भारी भूमिका है। चाहे वो सड़क हो, बिजली हो, पानी हो, श्रीनगर के नए फ्लाईओवर हों, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट जैसी सुविधाएं हों, प्रभावशाली ढंग से निर्माण का काम जो प्रारंभ हुआ है, उसके लिए जो रिसोर्स है उसको उपलब्ध कराने में आपका भी योगदान है।
A grenade blast was reported near the army camp in Pathankot in the wee hours today. The police force was rushed to the spot immediately. However, no loss of life or damage to property has been reported so far, and investigations has been started immediately. The SSP Pathankot informed that the blast took place at the Triveni gate of an army camp and the CCTV footage are being probed. Meanwhile, the security measures and check have been tightened at the Lakhanpur checkpost.
देखिए, अभी तक जो प्राइमरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन हमारा है उसके साथ में यहाँ पे एक ग्रेनेड ब्लास्ट हुआ है और उसको हम आगे फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं। तो जो भी डिटेल्स फर्दर आएंगी आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे। जो ऊपर संतरी तैनात है उन्होंने भी, जो गेट के ऊपर तैनात है उन्होंने बताया कि एक बाइक गुजरी है और उसी के साथ में उस मौके पे ब्लास्ट हुआ है। तो हम ये जूम कर रहे हैं कि एक बाइक राइडर ने जो इसको थ्रो किया। तो आगे हम फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं। सीसीटीवी फुटेज वगैरह इसके काफ़ी हमारे सीसीटीवी यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल्ड हैं ऑलरेडी, तो हमें अच्छी सीसीटीवी फुटेज मिलने की उम्मीद है।
सर, कोई नुकसान हुआ है?
हम आगे इन्वेस्टिगेशन करके फिर बताएंगे आपको। जी।
The National Investigation Agency today raided many locations in Kashmir, including Srinagar, amid terror funding cases in Jammu and Kashmir. The NIA raided the offices of a human rights activist in Lal Chowk here in Srinagar, reportedly in connection with militant funding case. Reports said that the raids were conducted in Amira Kadal, Lal Chowk and Sonavar area of the city. The raids are a part of NIA's attempt to crack down on the terror networks and overground workers of terror outfits. Nearly a dozen people have been taken by the NIA. Highlighting the traditions and heritage of Jammu and Kashmir, and in particular the heritage of Jammu, the Dogra Sadar Sabha today demanded the opening of Mubarak Mandi Heritage Complex for the public.
ऑनरेबल लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर से, स्टेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से और हमारी केंद्रीय सरकार से डोगरा सदर सभा की तरफ से ये डिमांड करने जा रहा हूँ कि ये मुबारक मंडी कॉम्प्लेक्स जो है ये पब्लिक के लिए खोल दो। आप जानते हैं कि जहाँ जहाँ भी हेरिटेज हैं, चाहे वो टूटी हुई दीवारें हैं, उन पर बोर्ड लिख के लगा दिए गए हैं कि यहाँ क्या था, खुले हैं लोगों के लिए। ये मुबारक मंडी भी एक शेड्यूल बना के फ़िक्स टाइम करके तमाम पब्लिक के लिए, टूरिस्ट के लिए खोल देनी चाहिए।
Calling the grant of ST status to Pahari-speaking people unconstitutional, the Jammu Kashmir Reserved Category Empowerment Alliance today demanded the reservation in promotion of employees in different departments, which stays pending since 2015. They said that defying the presidential order and its rule, the reservation and promotion issue is not being taken seriously. Appealing the Honorable President of the country to look into the defying of his orders, the association demanded a quick revival and implementation of the order in the Union Territory.
लेकिन जहाँ के ब्यूरोक्रेसी जो है इन्होंने उसे मिस इंटरप्रेट किया, फिर हमें कंप्लीट ब्लैंकेट स्टे भी मिला, इस ब्यूरोक्रेसी ने उसको भी मिस इंटरप्रेट किया। तो इसलिए मैंने कहा कि इनका एटीट्यूड जो है टुवर्ड्स SC ST OBC जो है वो स्टाइल है, इन्होंने ऐसे कंफ्यूजन डाल के रखा और जाके रखा, हमारा मसला जो है हल नहीं होने का।
क्या मांग करना चाहते हैं?
हम मांग करना चाहते हैं कि एक प्रेसिडेंशियल ऑर्डर, मैं अपील करना चाहता हूं आपके माध्यम से प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द कंट्री, कि वो एक स्ट्रिक्ट डायरेक्शंस करें यहाँ की LG एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को कि उनका ही इशू किया हुआ ऑर्डर जो है आज तक वो इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ, उसे जल्दी से जल्दी इम्प्लीमेंट करो और रिजर्वेशन जो है हमारी इन प्रमोशन उसे।
In wake of the problems faced by people in registration of Ayushman Card, a facilitation camp for registering for Ayushman Card was organized at Ward number 7 of Bishna under supervision of Councillor Sunil Gupta.
और मेरे साथ कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी के को-कन्वीनर J&K ड्यूटी के श्याम गुप्ता जी थे, साथ में यहाँ के SHO जोगिंदर सिंह चिव जी थे और चेयरमैन म्यूनसिपल बशना के बंटी शर्मा हमारे साथ थे और बड़ी संख्या में यहाँ पे आज ये आयुष्मान कार्ड का आयोजन किया था, तो बड़ी संख्या में लोगों ने यहाँ पे बढ़ चढ़ कर हिस्सा लिया। धन्यवाद।
Welcoming the decision of the central government to withdraw 3 agricultural laws, the Congress workers today expressed happiness by taking out a rally in Araspura, and the farmer leaders who contributed during the movement were honored. During this rally organized under the chairmanship of Mohan Singh, a large number of farmers also took a part. Other demands should also be met in the earliest, they said.
इस पर उन्होंने कोई काम नहीं किया, तो हम ये कहते हैं कि अगर इतने बड़े हाई अथॉरिटीज़ हमें जो आश्वासन देती हैं तो वो बाद में फेल हो जाती हैं अपनी जो वादे से, तो हम आगे इनसे क्या उम्मीद करेंगे। ये उनकी अटेंशन हम डाइवर्ट करेंगे, इनवाइट करेंगे कि कम से कम जो उन्होंने वादा यहाँ किया है वो जरूर आकर पूरा करें। और 675 ये नहीं चेंज करती तो हमारे बिजली बिल फ्री करें, हमें सब्सिडाइज करें, हमारे जो फर्टिलाइज़र सब्सिडाइज करें, हमारे एग्रीकल्चर लोन है, KCC लोन है, किसी ने।
In a major development and reshuffle in political parties, senior social political activist Peer Muhyiddin joined hands with PDD party. The party president Mehbooba Mufti and other senior leaders including party general secretary GN Lone Hanjura welcomed him in the party fold. Traders Federation of Handwara town called off the protest that was scheduled from today after the senior official of PDD assured them of improvement in electricity and power supply in the next 10 to 15 days. On the directions of Chief Engineer PDD, an official of the SC office Sopore met the traders in Handwara to assure installation of 10 MVA transformer and replacement of old poles with conductors in coming days.
GDP कितनी भी डाउन चल रही है, इकोनॉमी दिन ब दिन, मतलब मुझे लग रहा है कि हमारे ताजरों की दिन ब दिन खराब होती जा रही है। तो हमारा जो सब्र था वो मतलब परसों लबरेज हो गया, तो हमें हड़ताल की कॉल देनी पड़ी।
From the world of entertainment, the 49th Emmy Awards are being celebrated in New York today. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Veer Das and Sushmita Sen's web series Arya have been nominated from India. The nominations for the 2021 International Emmy Awards were announced by the International Academy of Television Arts and Sciences on September 23rd. There are 44 nominees and 11 categories wherein Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Veer Das and Sushmita Sen starrer web show Arya has been nominated from India, and everyone has high hopes from all three. And from across the world, under the new law in Hong Kong, the Chinese flag will now be flown in private schools and the Chinese national anthem will be sung. Experts have called the law dangerous. He has said that with this, an attempt is being made to increase the feeling of attachment towards the Chinese in children. The Voice of America, quoting a government statement, said that the purpose of this new policy is to promote national education and develop national spirit among students. The statement said that through the rules related to the national anthem, the students' attachment to the Chinese people and nation spirit will be increased. And that's all in this news bulletin. For latest update and more news, stay tuned with the News Now web and keep reading the News Now e-print and daily newspaper. Jai Hind.